Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I will trade on this broker which is Olymp trade. I'm applying the for me this is the best trading strategy for this broker because it worked for me a lot. I already upload a video explaining every details, so I recommend you to see it. But anyway, if you are new, please subscribe to this channel. And if you haven't seen anything about this broker, I will leave a complete tutorial below this video. So I just made an entry here. We can see my trade. This is my trade. I'm winning this trade. Let me check. This is my trade. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, and we are almost winning. We won this trade, guys. Why? It's very simple. I entered this trade because of the bollinger bands. We have we had this candlestick that was top in the lower bollinger bands, and we also had this flat RSI week, as simple as that. But besides this, we are in a market very slow. This is a very slow market. Today is it's very good to apply this strategy because this market, the general market is very slow. So let's see, this one for example is trending, is downward trending, so it's not very good at all to trade this market. We can trade this one which is rank, is in range. This is the optimal condition to trade this strategy in a range market. So guys, I just want to remember you that below this video you have a link to open an account with this broker. In that link you may find a trading bonus for your first deposit. So guys, if you are new, go ahead and open it, but remember to open a demo account first. This is my demo account. Today I'm trading with my real account. Okay, let me put it on English so you can understand it. This is my live account. This is my demo account. What I recommend everybody is to open a demo account before they go on real. Alright guys, so remember to join me on my Facebook group. Below this video you will have the link to that Facebook group. So guys, if we click here on the pairs, it will open this box with the other pairs. So let me check. I think we may have another opportunity on this pair. Yeah, let's do it one more time. Why I enter this another trade, and I think we can win this one. It's a little bit risky, of course, but I entered this trade because this is a range, a little range. This candlestick is very near to the lower bollinger bands, and we also have the RSI on the 30% sides. It is white, so what I think is that the price is rejecting this level. So let's wait a little bit for the trade to finish, and it is missing 6 seconds left 2 seconds, 1 second. We won this trade too, guys. It's as simple as that. This is how I trade, and that's why I think this is the best trading strategy for this broker, for Olymp trade. This is one of my favorite. I also apply this strategy to IQ option too. By the way, I will upload a video in IQ option applying this strategy too. And it's very simple. You can see that I am using the Bollinger Band setting by default, and also the RSI indicator setting by default too. We had an opportunity here. Let me check the okay. I think this is another opportunity too. This is a range market, as you can see. This is a range market, and we have the price coming down to a support level. This candlestick closed below the Bollinger Bands, which means it is oversold. Of course, it can go down a little bit more, and I can make another trade, up trade, but I think it's okay right here. And also something else we can see is the RSI is doing like a double button. You can see it's like a double button near to the 30% side. Is how I see it. So if I lose this one, I will make another trade. Okay, let me do it. To share, yeah. Make another one. Yeah, we're winning. Guys, I want to show you something too. You can close the position before expiration whenever you want in this broker. If you click on close, it will close the position with this amount in your favor. Of course, with this amount in your favor, or with this amount against you. If the trade is out of okay, wow, guys, we won the first trade. I made another entry just to recover the first one. As you can see, we won the first trade. Here we can see we won this trade because at the end, remember, in the last second, there was a big spike with this bullish candlestick. Let me check. I think I will close this trade before expiration. Let me check, because I entered the trade too late. I wanted to take the entry just here on this level, but it's okay. It's doing okay. We just have 8 seconds left, and we are winning. And yes, guy, we won this trade too. We won this trade. So, guys, as you can see, it's so simple, this strategy. What you have to do is to control your emotions and be disciplined. Be disciplined. Being disciplined is being patient too. You need to be patient to wait your opportunity. Okay, I think we have another opportunity here. Just at the close of this candlestick, we may have another opportunity. Because what the price is doing here is being rejected on this level. All right, let's do it. I think this would be the last trade. Let me check what happened. So something we need to consider is that well, whenever we have the bollinger band like this, I mean open, we have an open bollinger bands, we need to be careful. We need to be careful because that means that the price is very volatile in one of the sides, in this case to the downside. Guys, we won this trade too, guys. Wow, incredible, but we won almost all of them. We just lost one trade, this trade today. Guys, that's it for today. Remember to see the complete tutorial about this broker below this video. And if you have any question, any doubt, or any comment, or if you want to add something to this video, just write it down on the comment section. I will be very happy to read it. Alright guys, I see you on the next video. Remember to control your emotions and manage your risk, manage your money. I'll see you later.